watching another video. Let's learn and code together. Today we are solving question 1085, sum of digits in the minimum number in LeetCode. So essentially in this question, we're giving an array filled with integers, and we need to find the lowest one in here. And then we need to see, let's say if it's multiple values, so let's say in this one it was 33, we need to add each of the characters within that integer together. And then if that number is even, we need to return 1. If it is odd, we need to return 0. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we need to see what is the minimum number within nums. So we'll do that by saying x equals min num. And then we also need to turn this into a string. So we'll say string min nums. And the reason that we need to turn this into a string is because we need to be able to iterate through each character within that number. So we'll say j for j in x. So essentially what that will do is separate each number within x out. So if we go to the debugger right here, we can see that. See here, we can see that value over here. So now that 33 is split into 2 3s. And so from here, we can now iterate through our array, our new array that we made x. So we can say for I in x. And then we can say, or we'll initialize a new variable called answer. And then we'll say ants plus equals I. We'll say int I, because we need to turn that back into an integer. And then at the end, we can simply say return 0 if ants module 2 is equal, or sorry, not equal to 0. So essentially this means if answer is not equal to 0, or is not an even number, then return 0. Else 1. So if it is not even, we're going to return 0. If answer is even, we're going to return 1. Let's go ahead and run that. There we go. That runs for the test cases. Let's see if this runs for all of them. Yep. So it does work for all of them. This is not the most optimal solution. The reason for that is because I am using some built-in functions. I'm finding them in right here. And also I'm turning into a string, and then I have to iterate through, even though it's going to be only 3 characters at the max, I do have to do a little for loop there. So let me know in the comments, guys, how can I optimize this solution. Other than that, if you guys learned anything from the solution, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm posting a LeetCode question every single day, and I appreciate all the support you guys give me. So with that, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.